Let's say you were walking around at night and you saw a young girl being dragged into the back of a van. You chase that van down, you drag the guy out, you call the police, you save the girl. The guy's now subdued, the girl's safe. But then you think, fuck it, and you pull out your gun and you blast the guy's brains out. Now, how do you get away with doing something like that? I'll tell you how. Because trial by jury is important, because trial by jury gives the public and the people a vehicle to rewarding moral behavior and not punishing it because it's against the law. So I'm not saying it's right to blow the guy's brains out. What I'm saying is it's certainly tempting to blow the guy's brains out. And let's pretend in this hypothetical situation I did that. I shot the guy in the back of the head and he was defenseless because I thought, fuck him, he's a child molester, he was trying to kidnap this kid. My daughter, for example, and I shot him. Now, I've committed murder, so I should go to jail. Let's say there was a CCTV image of me doing it. On video, the forensics are found on my hand, blood splatter on my shirt. Well, how do I get away with blasting this pedophile's brain out? The only way is trial by jury. The only way is the judge and the prosecutor and the district attorney to sit there and will listen to the district attorney say he's definitely guilty because XYZ, XYZ, XYZ. And everybody on the jury to know I'm guilty and to know I did it. And then to sit there and say, nah, not guilty. Because it's a jury of my peers. And maybe they would say that, maybe they wouldn't. But as a group of people, you have the ability to save people from abuse of the law if you think that they should be saved.